We are doing some PEMF on Annie. She is a gorgeous Arabian mare. She has one blue eye and one brown eye, which is a very striking feature on her. She has lots of yawning going on. It's so interesting why they yawn is because it's like releasing endorphins, because the PEMF stimulates hormones in the pituitary gland, which sends out endorphins. And then it is the ANS, the automatic nervous system, which controls things like yawning and blinking. Because did you know that they blink? You'll see rapid kind of blinking.
Yeah.
When something feels good. So watch. See all the blinking she's doing? And more yawning.
Oh, boy.
Big releases.